Hey guys, Toad with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick pre-market video. So we are going to go through some of the key charts that he always hits on. SPXP, this is the full complex.
Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
First thing you know, we're in the money, out of the money, put dominated. We do have some out of the money calls above 45.05. Those are pretty far up there though. Big thing to note here is transition is 44.50, 44.55. We are opening below transition. Understand what that means. That is a kind of a bearish bias to start the day. To the downside, key levels are 44.25, 4400 is negative gex. Bulls to the upside. First step is getting above transition, which is 44.55, like I said before. From there, when I look at the volatility command, see if we have any strikes being targeted above. Although keep in mind, put dominated there in the money put, so keep that in mind. Here, moving on to the 0DT complex, a bit of a shift here, and by that I mean that we are opening above transition. Transition is 4400, 44.35 to the downside. Thing to note is we still are in the money put dominated here, and we are actually called dominated on the left plane. So, anyways, to the upside, if we can stay above 44.45, Paul notes we may see some supportive charm flows come in. We would want to couple that with seeing strike targeting 44.75, which is plus gex, probably upside for the day. And then obviously for the bears, first step getting below transition level, then breaking through 44.25, which is negative gex, and ultimately 4400 would be the downside target. Moving on to the 1DT complex, again you can see that we have in the money, out of the money, put dominated on this time frame. Again, opening above transition here. We're right at plus gex on this time frame. I think the important thing to note from Paul's note is, if we do see some kind of stalling, again, the puts on this time frame start to burn up, may see some supportive charm flows here. However, if we do break below transition zone, then 4400 would be natural target. Looking at the rest of the week, so the rest of the week here, we are in the money, out of the money, put dominated. We're in the middle of a transition zone here, so not as rosy as a picture of 0 and 1 DT that we did discuss. Bullish point of view, we are put dominated, in the money, put dominated here, so above transition, it's still going to be a tough road up ahead to plus gex, which is 44.75. That's where the vol targeting is important to keep in mind. And then below us, we are below transition here, then 4400 again. That's a key negative gex on all time frames that we have looked at, so that's something to keep in mind as well. Lastly, we are looking at the SPX. This is full complex. This is the AM plus PM here. We are opening below transition level. This transition level is consistent with the full PM settle complex that we looked at. So again, so long as we were below this, have a bearish bias, we are starting to see some out of money call speculation pretty far up there. But yeah, it's there. So important to monitor to see, if this does start to improve, if put speculators starting to close their positions. So something to keep in mind there. To the downside here, again, 4400 key negative gex level we've seen on all consistent time frames. Bullish point of view, again, we want to break above the transition levels, start to see, vols targeted 4500 kind of natural target there, delta node there, but just keep that in mind. Lastly, landscape view, pretty obvious transition zone, levels obvious, we've hit on all those. So with that, best of luck out there today. We'll see you all in the Discord. Bye.